Keep him off the boat. Keep him off the boat. See, I didn't even feel a head shake on the other one. Here he is. Oh, that's a good one. I'll take it. I'll damn sure take it. That's a nice one. I think he's bigger than the one I had. Awesome.
A little green.
That's probably, what, 12, 13 pounds? That's a big fish. Keep him out. Just keep it pointed over there. That's a good fish. That's a dang good fish. Is he still on? Yeah, he's swimming up. I think he's just swimming up with it. Or is he?
Now let's go. Oh my gosh.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Good fish.
I'm under the boat. Oh, okay.
All right. Oh, this feels like some weight on it. You got something, Jack?
You need me to give you slack, Chad? Don't put your fish off. Pull it. Come in the boat and do that.
Yeah.
Here, let me give you slack.
I swear that looks like a flounder, dude. Let me see the other side of him. That's a flounder, I'm pretty sure, bud. But we ain't sure. All right. Is this a cod? What we got here? All right, I need it. Yeah, that's a cod.
Okay, can you net?
I think I can just sling him in the boat. That's a nice cod, too. That's the biggest cod I've ever caught. Look at it, Jay.
I wonder if I really got anything or if you just got me on your way up, Chad.
All right. Nice one. Come on, Jack. Can you stand up just a second, Jack? I'm gonna come over and help you out. I'm gonna put this fish in this box. You still got him, right? Let me put him in the box. All right, sit right back down. Sit right back down. Come on up. Keep reeling, bud.
Are we keeping these or not?
Let me flip him over again. Let me look at him.
This is what we kept as those flounders last time.
Yeah. Yeah, let's keep him. I ain't gonna make Jack get up again. I'll put him in this box. That is, look at that. Can't you tell that's not a halibut?
That's different.
Yeah. But I wasn't sure about that other one. He was a little longer. Hey, Jack, you got a good fish, bud. Got a good fish.
I got fish all night.
Yeah, you got him. Could be a cod. Keep on. Keep coming. Yeah, just get this right there in the box. You're doing good. Come on. There he is right there. It's good halibut, bud. Good halibut. I see him right there. Keep coming. Ah. All right, let me get it. Hand me the net. Oh, you got him, Jake? Oh, that's a cod. Big old cod. Get him, get him.
Got it?
Oh, look at that cod. That's huge. Freaking huge. Awesome. Well, I got one. I got one I'm fixing to pull up in this minute, but I gotta get this fish in first. Don't lose it, Richard. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one, guys. That's a good one. That's the best fish I've had today. Oh, yeah. Head shake. Oh, yeah. On up there. About daggum time. But all I can figure, it's got to be a lot of little fish we're missing all these bites.
Yeah.
Which is fine. That's
That gulp.
That gulp is bad to the bone, buddy. That gulp is something I'm gonna be getting some more of them. Cause see, the thing is, when you lose your bait, they still come for it.
Yeah. That's a good fish. Where's he at?
He's still down a ways. It's a high speed though.
There he is.
I think that one she's got high speed too. Oh yeah. Come on, buddy.
Come on, big boy.
All right, I'll take that. Just come on in the boat with it. Come on in the boat with it. We're gonna have to, yeah, get it off. Hold on, let me get this out of the way.
It could be a herring, but that's about where my strength is.
Now you got it. Keep that line off the boat. You're doing good.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
They started wearing it out as soon as they got to the bottom. It's not much of a fish.
Oh, you got one too?
Uh-oh.
I don't know, this rod's so damn easy to reel on.
Oh, you got an old big boy. Yeah. That's a good idea because I was fixing to do that myself, but once I put this camera on here, I'm sort of committed now. Because I think you're going to catch stuff on that that's got a different hook on it than you won't catch on these jigs. Oh, we all hooked on each other.
Somebody's got a fish.
Yeah. Yeah, just let yours out. Is it a halibut?
Yeah.
Get the net, somebody. Net, please.
Good job, good job. Hold on. Let me loosen this. Don't want to lose my damn rod here. She'll kill me.
Lost your gulp.
Got one.
Let me get this out of the damn way. Give me this. See if you can reel up now. All right, you're clear now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Thank God. I'm like you, looking like it was transducer or something.
There's a good fish on there.
Yeah.
There was no bait.
Well, explain that then.
I mean, I guess it still stunk.
I don't know. I don't know, but I thought it was up high in the water column too.
It was. But, I mean, I've never seen halibut follow fish. I've never seen you do that.
Hey, will you move this rod?
Yeah. Good idea.
This is strange. I feel like we didn't even let out that much line.
And you'd understand if it was a jig, but that's not a jig, is it?
No.
It's,
It's a weight and a hook.
I mean, you had the hook. I wonder, was the bait, was it up the leader and you just didn't see it?
I mean, we had the hook. I had the hook in my hand.
Yeah, but I mean, was the bait slid up the leader or something?
I don't know. I see it now. Damn. I don't see it way down there.
What is it?
It's a halibut.
I'll be damned. A good one?
Wow.
A dang good one?
I can't tell.
Yeah, there he is.
In the tail.
Oh, he's hooked weird, so you better net him while you can.
Hurry.
I wasn't missing. He's probably hooked weird.
I wonder if it's so hard to build.
Little guy.
Yeah. Oh shit, that was terrible. Big as the guy was.
Oh, got him. That's a good fish. Oh, yeah. Good fish.
Ow! Hit.
Oh, yeah. Get that net clear. We finna need it.
Gonna need it. Hey, we just hit a little pocket, didn't we?
I guess. You
Man,
want
that
to
was
make?
wild. A little pocket. Man, I guess just because he was in the tail, it's just so hard to reel like that.
Yeah, that's why. That's exactly why.
God, that was
It's like when you foul hook a salmon. It's like that. Here he coming up top. What is it? Oh, he's foul hooked too. No wonder.
See, guys.
See, that's why we're missing him, though, guys. I got it. Yeah, bat. See, look at the size of his mouth and look at that hook.
Oh, yeah, because these are little.
Yeah. I've caught 3.
Well, there you go, Richard. Damn.
Oh, yep.
Got it.
Golly, I can't even get my line down before we can catch the next one.
He's on fire.
Did I say on film that I caught 3? No, I mean Jack caught that other one. I've only caught 2, the legal limit. That's all I've caught.
You're just constantly filming?
Yeah. Yeah, dude. It's called editing. You don't wait till you catch the, because the thing is, like when I was salmon fishing the other day, you're gonna miss the hookup and everything.
Those batteries die pretty quick though, don't they?
Well, here's the thing though, how you gonna turn it on at 100 and something foot?
State of Alaska, do you legally have to tell me that you're filming?
Yeah, as far as you know. He's not, he was big to start with, but he's acting coddish now. And very cod-like. And he's just, is that might be that's a flounder. Put him up there.
Alright. Glad that wasn't big fish.
I'm gonna put him in the box. That's a floundy.
Ah, come on, bro, get in there with your gloves.
I have gloves for you.
Look at that, catch a bait too. That's nice, huh?
You ain't kidding, that's nice.
Hey.
It's in there still. Where's it at?
There you go.
Got him?
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Nah, he felt bigger than what he was, unless he's fixing, unless he decides to start running any minute now. Oh, he feels a little bit heavier there. Oh, he's getting heavier.
Flash of white, something.
Down there. Yeah, he'll do one. 1, 2, 3,
Action shot. Like me dropping it.
4,
I like that this coming through the.
5, 6, 7, and this will be 8. Yep, put him in there.
See, I can count to 8.
Yep. You did good.
Felt like 1,000,000 pounds. But I think it was probably 25.
This is it right here, right?
Yeah.
Well, that one said. All right, what do you think it is?
25. 20.
Hold on. He's 17 pounds. According to this now. I ain't saying it's dead accurate. All right, here we go.
There's so much
Rockfish. No thanks to these yahoos I'm fishing with.
Look, if you would have gotten up at 5 a.m. and been out here at 7 a.m. like Lynn told us.
Look at that right there. I'll take that.
That's a good fish, Richard.
That's a good one. I thought it was a salmon, dude.
I lost the. Probably blew it in, but I just like having the net ready, you know?
Oh, yeah.
You never know, it's like insurance.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Put him right here. Oh, it's a lingcod. Get over here.
Ooh, those are good, huh?
We got to measure it. See, there's a size limit on those. But I get a picture with it anyway. That's pretty dang cool. Ask our expert. Oh, there we go. What we got here? Little black. I'm gonna release that one, guys. What do you think?
Yeah.
This big one.
Here, doubled up. Show them, guys.
Oh, shoot fire.
Damn, Richard, throwing it.
I'm sorry.
We got a measuring thing right there. See how big he is.
Here.
How long do they have to be?
Ready?
I don't know. We got our man on the.
I'm gonna throw this back. It's not big enough.
You sure?
Yeah, I don't think this is a lean cod.
It dang sure is.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. I've caught plenty of lingcod.
Okay. Sorry, put your head on.
Go on.
Oh yeah, definitely.
All right.
Nice one. Nice one.
Gloves.
Keep that.
There you go.
Yep.
Doubled up. Let's get a photo.
Photo. Where's my phone go? Hey, Richard, you want to do the honors?
Hold on just a second here. Yep. Hold on, let me get this on here good.
I can no longer touch my phone. I've got my gooey hands on.
Right. Let's see. Y'all, let me get behind you, sun to the picture taker's back. It's always the best picture you got because you're gonna have a hell of a shadow on us now. All right, here we go. All right, you ready? All right.
Alright, throw them in the box. We're keeping these, right?
Absolutely. You got to count on them, anybody?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think.
All right, I'm just videoing. All right, who will catch the last one here?
That's right.
There you go. Well, they come loose. Oh, she got it. She gonna get it there.
Nope. Yes.
Yeah. You need some Fix-A-Dent. Hold that thing in place.
Jeez. Break the damn rod.
You're doing good. Just pull up to about level and then pull up and reel down. There you go. Boy, he is all underneath the boat, ain't he? Showing out. There he is. That's the last one. That's a good one.
Okay.
There we go.
Ta-da!
All right. All right. So let's put him in here. He said we got to cut his gills. Good God, look at that. Look at that. That's a cooler full of fish, guys. Look at that crap right